The first time I saw you, I discovered the beauty in your eyes and the beauty in your brand new self. Oh, I do marathon, oh Lord, I come before it. Oh my God, sat, you want in my valor. Oh yeah, the last time I met you, I opened up to you, then I told you, I'm a memory better. Oh, need me that way, like I'm a better. Oh, my God, sat, you want in my valor. I no go lie you, rara. I no go touch you, lie. All my promises, me I go comply. Go dead up.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Titilayo, and if this is your first time seeing me on your screen or stopping by on my channel, it is very nice to meet you. If this is not your first time, you're welcome back. So today's video, as you can tell from the title, is going to be a date night get ready with me video. As we all know, Valentine's Day is around the corner, and I felt like this was an appropriate video to release at this time of the year. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how I'm going to achieve a very easy glam look. This look is going to be very suitable for different kind of dates, for a movie date or for a dinner date, or you know, a work date, a coffee date, whatever. I've gone ahead to do my foundation off camera. If you'd like to see how I did my foundation routine, make sure to check out my last video, because all the products that I used on my face are Nigerian owned makeup brands, and I did explain the reason why I was using Nigerian owned makeup for the whole month of February in my previous video. So I'm going to leave a link for that video on the top of the screen, so make sure to watch it after this one. Okay, so just wait first and watch this one, and then you can go see that one. Alright guys, so I just came in closer so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So the first step is I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Espresso, and I'm going to use that to prime my eyelids. So this just helps with the discoloration to make sure that I have an even base for the eyeshadows I'll be applying. To set that concealer, I'm going to go in with my Zickel powder palette, and this is the shade Highlighter, and it's just a white translucent powder, and I'm just going to use this to set the concealer in place to make sure it doesn't move. I discovered the beauty in your eyes and the beauty in your brand yourself. Taking this bright orange shade from my House of Tar Margaret Echo palette, I'm going to place this above my crease, and this will serve as my transition shade today. Oh yeah, the last time I met you, I opened up to you, then I told you I'm a memory better. So to add a little bit of definition to my eyes, I'm going into this burnt orange shade from the Elsa Pro palette, and I'm going to take that and apply that into my crease directly under that transition color. I'm going to blend out that color using the first orange shade. So going into the Queen Amina palette, I'm taking this plum berry shade called Mica, and I'm going to place that in my outer V and work it all the way into my crease. Oh yeah, the last time I met you, I opened up to you, then I told you I'm a memory better. I'm going to go back with that burnt orange shade from the Elsa Pro palette, and I'm going to use it to properly blend out this plum berry shade. I no go lie you, rara. I no go touch you, lie. All my promises, me I go comply. And then also going in with the orange from the Margaret Echo palette, I'm just going to blend all of the colors into that color. So at this point, you can choose to go in and cut your crease, but I won't be doing that because I feel like a cut crease might be too dramatic for a date night. So I'm just going to go in with the Queen Amina palette, and I'm going in with the shade 1533, and I'm just going to apply that directly on my mobile lid. The first time I saw you, I discovered the beauty in your eyes and the beauty in your brand yourself. So to blend out the edges of that color, I'm going to go back with that plumberry shade from the Queen Amina palette and just blend around the harsh lines. Going back into my Elsa Pro palette, I'm taking this matte black shade. I'm just going to place that on my outer V and work it into my crease. And I'm only concentrating this on the outer part of my eyes. And I'm taking a clean blending brush. I'm just going to try and blend out this black eyeshadow. Blend around the edges of the black. I'm going to take that plum shade again and just use that to blend this and drag it into my crease. Before you start the dance, going back in with the orange shade from the Elsa Pro palette, I'm just going to blend all of those colors in together to give me that transition look. And I'm also taking the orange from the Margaret Apple palette just to make up for the colors that I have lost while blending. For my eyeliner, I'm going to be doing a fade eyeliner. So it's pretty much one where I'm going to line my eyes towards the middle, and where the colors kind of fade out, I'm going to just fade out my eyeliner at that point. So I'm going to stop there and use the eyeshadow to kind of blend in the eyeliner. That's what my eyeliner currently looks like. And then going in with this plum color that I use, I'm just going to try and blend out that liner at the tip so it fades into the eyeshadow. And I'm going to apply the color on the top, very slightly on the top of the liner, just so the colors blend in together. That's what it currently looks like. As you can see, you can't exactly tell where the eyeliner ends. So off camera, I'm going to go apply my lashes as well as wipe off the fallout on my face. So the lashes I'm going to be using today are the Dodo lashes in the style 309, and I do have a discount code for these lashes. I'm going to leave that on the screen, so make sure to use the discount code if you decide to order from this company. For my lips, I'm going to be going in with something nude just because I feel like the eye is dramatic enough, and just to kind of, you know, stick with the easy glam look. So I'm first of all going in with a random lip liner, and I'm going to be using that random brown lip liner to line my lips. And I'm going in with my new favorite nude lipstick. This is a classic makeup matte lipstick in Nude Girl. I'm going to apply this to the center of my lips. Going in with my gloss bomb from Fenty Beauty, I'm going to be placing that all over my lips. I'm going to go back and reline my lips with that brown lip liner. Alright guys, so here's the complete look. I'm absolutely in love with this look. I think it's such an easy glam look, and it's suitable for any single date that you decide to go on for Valentine's Day. You can always feel free to switch out the lips and probably use something colored like a liquid lipstick if you're feeling that kind of way. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to leave a like on this video and make sure to share it with all of your friends and family. If you're not yet following me on my social media handles, especially Snapchat and Instagram, they'll be popping up on the screen right now, so please make sure to follow me. And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. You know, And don't forget to turn on post notifications so that you can always see when I post a video. I'm gonna end up this video and I will see you all in my next video, God willing.